Hello, today I'll show you how to change controller settings in 7 Days to Die. First, you'll want to open the main menu by pressing the escape button on your keyboard. Then press on Options, into Control section, and right here you have General Controller Settings. You have the common and uncommon things. Honestly, the level of optimization here is really impressive. I won't name any of the options, I will simply showcase them to you, maybe pick one or two that are worthy of attention. For example, I don't know, control vibration, change it to subtle, control trigger effects, cursor snap, of course, very important, aim assist as well. You can also go more in depth to change the behavior of your controller while on foot, as you can see, in vehicle, and here is layout. You can look, as you can see the layout for DualShock controllers and Xbox controllers, and you also can see active layout for the changes you have made. When you are happy with the changes you made and you're sufficiently accustomed to the layout of the buttons and the way you control things, simply press apply, go back once again, and you are right back in the game. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.